Hey guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. We're back here playing FIFA, and today we are doing something a bit new. We'll also be joined by Pee-wee as per usual. So, the thing we are doing is a Super Cup, which has 62 teams, I think. And it's just a bunch of random teams, like international clubs, just like a bunch of random teams. And at the end, we'll have a final game and see who wins. So, it's just a cup of a bunch of teams. So I decided to jump into one of these matches, and it's Roma versus Al Backton. Pee-wee's so excited for this, so let's get this started. I'm not sure I clicked on replays. So let's see. Come on, go. Is it up? Okay, Okay. I think this is on professional level. It might not be. So, Nitzel. Get him. This little punk. Pee-wee, please stop screaming. Pee-wee. He's so happy for some reason today. I think he's learning to talk. So he's just like, ah. Okay, move. Ow. Pee-wee, please stop screaming. Pee-wee. Sorry for the random pause. Cut there. Something happened. My camera just was like, nope, I don't want to work anymore. Pee-wee, you're still screaming for no reason. Let's go. I don't like you. Oh. Go. Whoever has this, go. Okay. I want to do a bicycle kick. How is that? Okay. Pee-wee! He's literally so excited, I'm not sure why. Pee-wee! Stop screaming! Okay, let's see. Probably scream again now that I screamed. Yep, I guaranteed it. Dr. Ender guaranteed. Pee-wee, please stop. Pee-wee? Just love screaming in my videos. Pee-wee! Okay, maybe if I don't say his name, he'll stop screaming. Or say his, because that seems to set him off. So, are you done yet? Yes or no? Of course I missed. It's your fault, I'm blaming you, Pee-wee. So, okay, do not say so, because apparently that sets him off. So basically, we will be doing more FIFA. I'm not sure how long this series will be. It'll be pretty long. Pee-wee, please stop screaming! I get it, you're happy to be on camera. But you've never done this before. He's been in a bunch of my videos, but he's never screamed this much. I guess he's just excited for FIFA or something. You done? Yep, he's done. So, this will be like, I'm guessing a 50 episode thing, maybe a bit higher, but pretty much Pee-wee will be screaming in all the episodes. Well, so we're probably doing one game per episode, so that's gonna be interesting. Also, no, I can just do Pee-wee screaming montage. Is that what you want to do? Here, no, you're the commentator for now. Hit yourself away. Just do whatever you want to do, Pee-wee. You're the commentator. Of course, when I say nothing, he starts not doing anything. Okay, maybe if I whisper, he won't hear me. So pretty much, we are doing a new Minecraft. Oh my gosh, he still hears me. Okay, I'm just gonna talk as loud as possible so I can be louder than him. Oh my gosh, he just goes louder. Okay, so let's go. There will be more FIFA challenges coming out eventually. I know a lot of you did like the Sriracha challenge. A lot of weird comments, like this one guy called Aaron. Not sure what he meant by... I don't even know what he meant. So, thank you, Alex, for the idea to play more FIFA. I will do it a lot more. I know my last FIFA is my most popular video on the channel currently. 30 views, and hopefully this gets 30 views as well. Yep, Pee-wee. Yeah, if you were quiet for a couple... Silent night, Pee-wee bites. Please go to sleep. Little Pee-wee. Sleep. Yeet. So, Minecraft will be coming back. I did leave the world open to a couple people, and I'm worried to see what they did by survival. So that will be interesting. There'll be Pee-wee. Yes, there will be Pee-wee. Petraria. Yes, I did get a lot of support on that. That will be coming back. Top 10 will not be coming back. I don't think that did not do well at all. Oh, I have an itchy nose. Oh no. Just go, cross it. Rossi! What? My heart breaks every time you miss a shot. My heart breaks. Oh, I think the half's like 6 minutes. That would make sense. Oh no, I made a mistake. I meant to make the half 4 minutes, but I guess I made it 6 minutes. No! What just happened? So I'm gonna have to do what I'm gonna have to do what I do in some of my I'm gonna have to do what I do in some of my episodes and just pause and wait for and show once a highlight happens. So wait, maybe this could be a highlight. Of course not. Oh wait! Oh, I hate you, whoever did that! See you guys when the highlight happens. This might be good. 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 Okay, now. Come on, Ningalon. Who's you pass to? Sure, okay. Please don't shoot it at me. Pee-wee, you acting like you're 23. I don't like to sing a lot of skits, but 'cause I have no ideas for what to say. Woo! Halftime. Okay, let's go. Make that into a song. Woo! Bless you, Pee-wee. So, let's see. Shots. Okay, I guess I'll skip when something happens. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. I said, well, beep, beep, I'm a Darossi. Beep, beep, I'm a Darossi. I said, beep, beep, I'm a Darossi. Beep, beep, I'm a Darossi. I'm a chameleon. Wait, no, that's not right. It's Karma Chameleon. I'm a chameleon. I thought it was I'm a comedian for a long time, but I recently just found out it was Karma Chameleon. It makes no sense. Why it's called that? Jekko, you didn't throw really right then. Oops, my bad. It was so long. Please get the ball and run as fast as you can. Frenzy, cross it. Not to Alvin. Bad Russian name. Pee-wee! Okay, so we'll see when the highlight happens. What is happening? Oh, yes! Ningalon, go! Ningalon, go! Ningalon, go! You got this! You got this! Ah! What just happened? Was that... I heard the post sound. Okay, bye. I come off. Pee-wee. Still screaming even when I wasn't talking, actually trying to get a highlight in. Can you stop sneezing on me? I love you, Pee-wee. Oh my gosh! Yes, you did. Good job. 10 out of 10. Go, whoever this is. Go, whoever this is. Who was that? Basrota! Yee! Oh my gosh! How does that keep happening? You just sneezed in my hair, Pee-wee. Birds sneeze a lot. Yeah, that was in my hair. Hope I didn't get bird disease. What's that thing? Was that goal? Wait, what? What? Can you get a replay on that? How is it on goal hit off my guy? How's that on? Wait a minute. Wait, okay, you guys got... Hopefully we get the line technology on this one because this is... Yeah, this is confusing. So, who headers it? Strootman headers it. Nice header, Strootman. And it goes to him, this guy. Well, he hits it out. So how's it an own goal? It should be Strootman's goal. Which, it is a goal, yes, but how's it an own goal? Weird. Okay, I'm not complaining. 1-0. See when our highlight happens. Ah, come on. I'm a chameleon. The way you know, please don't go. I'll go back, guys. I'll show you when our highlight happens. Go! Oh, that didn't work. It's a 10-minute long video. It's ridiculous. I'm not sure I paused it, but I did. But I got a breakaway. Well, not really. I got the ball. Go Salah, please don't fail me. My young prodigy, please don't fail. What? Yes. Oh, Salah. What just happened? It looked like it glitched out and he went wobble wibbled all over the place. So I got a nice cross in. What even happened? Whoa! Look at Salah! I mean, El Shaarawy. Why do I keep calling him Salah? Look at that header. Boo! Like a goat. So you guys, when our highlight happens, ball. Oh wait, I gotta wait till the highlight happens. My bad. I just started recording for no reason. Might as well record for a bit. Talk about a couple things. Another thing is, Pee-wee. Who is he? You hear him screaming in almost every one of my videos. He's my bird. He is a burb. His classification is little burb. He's a little burb. And from the squawk, you might be able to figure out what kind of bird he is. I won't tell you guys. Comment down below. If you already know what kind of bird he is, because my friends might have known, don't say it, please. Just let the other people figure it out. That wasn't a highlight. I'll see you guys when the highlight happens. Come on. Oops. What just happened? Go. First roll draw! Oh my gosh! Yes! Oh my gosh! El Shaarawy, see this goal again. Come on! Look at this! Proud of me now? Boom! Beautiful goal. Ah! Why? 1 minute at a time. Yeah. Go! Yes! Dun 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 dun. Oh. Go, please don't. Yes, we won. 3-0. Sorry, Al Bahati. And I'll show you guys all the groups. I'm gonna go quick, so make sure you pause the video to see it all. Little burb. So this is Group C, Group D, Group E, Group F, Group G, Group H, Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D. Well, anyways, you guys all saw it. So this will be the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and there will be more FIFA coming out probably right after this, and I'll see you all later. Bye-bye, Smoke!